Hello, how you doing today? My name is Davion Baker. I am the coordinator of the Office of Black Student Success, and I want to be the first to welcome you to the What's Next workshop. This workshop will help you get one step closer to getting off academic probation. We understand, we all make mistakes. Things happen, but this is not the end of the road, and this is not where your road ends. So, I want you to sit back, pay close attention to all the details that we're going to be going over, because you will be getting quizzed at the end of the video. So, I'll see you soon and enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, welcome to the What's Next workshop. On the agenda we have understanding, PDQ, what now, and moving forward. Welcome. We are the Office of Black Student Success. My name is Diamond Moorhead and I will be the voiceover this evening. So first we have understanding. So understanding that the semester may not have gone as planned for you. Luckily, it's not the end of your academic experience at Fresno State. We understand mistakes happen and we're here to help you figure them out. Roles in academic distress. So many things play into academic distress, but the most common three are overwhelming studies, family issues, and not utilizing resources on campus. PDQ. So what is PDQ? PDQ is academic probation and disqualification, and understanding the difference between the two. Academic probation and disqualification. Undergraduate students whose campus or cumulative grade point average, GPA, falls below a 2.0 are placed on probation. If a student is currently returning on probation and does not meet their contract, they will be placed on academic disqualification and dismissed from the university. So probation is a student with a GPA less than a 2.0 in their campus or cumulative GPA. To maintain enrollment, students are required to maintain campus and cumulative GPA above the disqualification range listed in their student level. Returning on probation is a student who has been academically disqualified, reapplied to the university, and was readmitted, required to meet contract to maintain enrollment. Academic disqualification is a student who has been academically disqualified, dismissed from Fresno State, and will need to reapply. Good standing is a student with a campus and cumulative GPA of a 2.0 or higher. So here is the student level chart. You can see that depending on the student level that you are, so if you're a freshman, sophomore, a junior, senior, post-bachelorette, or graduate, the GPA to be considered disqualified changes. So for freshmen it's a 1.49, 1.69 for sophomores, and so forth. So let's say you're a freshman and you are just getting to the 29 units and you ended the semester with a 1.52. So you would not be in disqualification, but however you would be in probation because you're below a 2.0. Now let's say the following semester your GPA went up, but it went up to a 1.69. You would now be considered disqualified because you're now a sophomore and you're in the 30 to 59 unit range. So be sure to take note of your units as well as your GPA and how it affects you probation and disqualification wise. Other ways your GPA affects you. Campus, cumulative, and major GPA needs to be a 2.0 or higher for you to graduate. If you want to change your major or you're ready to declare a major, some majors will not accept you if your GPA is below a 2.0. If you are looking for an on-campus job, scholarships, employers, some of them require minimum GPAs that are above a 2.0. If you are interested in graduate school, many programs have a minimum prerequisite GPA that must be met in order to be considered for admittance. So what now? So here are the requirements for probation and readmitted on probation students. You'll have registration hold on your account. You must complete this webinar and quiz and meet with your academic counselor no later than Monday, February 12th. To be eligible to continue in the fall 2018 semester, probation students must maintain or improve GPA to above disqualification range depending on student level after spring 2018 grades and units earned are posted. They also may stop out and return if drop is on or before the 10th day of instruction. To be eligible to continue in the fall 2018 semester, readmitted on probation students must earn a term GPA of a 2.5 or higher. They're unfortunately not eligible for stop out until out of the disqualification range. Additional OBSS requirements. You must attend weekly tutoring or SI sessions, complete a minimum of 12 study log hours a week, and complete a mid-semester progress report. So the 3-2-1 activity. Here's some examples of how it works. So here's 3 things I'm passionate about: business, family, and education. So I'll write those down. And then 2 ways I can focus my energy on my passions. So one way is to take an hour out daily to focus on my business plans. And another way is to create a daily schedule to track how I spend my time. And lastly, one way or more, OBSS can assist you with your passions. So one way OBSS can assist me would be to help me create a daily schedule. Now for this part, you can put more than one option. I personally only put one option because I felt that it would help both of my passions or all 3 of my passions. But for yourself, you may find that there are many different ways that OBSS can assist you, so feel free to write those ways down as well. Moving forward. Here's an anonymous quote that we believe is very inspirational. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. The big concept. Remember the passions you wrote down. We will discuss them in the near future. Commitment. Be sure to commit to your success. So here's a certificate. By signing the certificate or clicking the link attached, signing your name, you're committing yourself to your success. This is the Office of Black Student Success certifying that said student has successfully completed the What Now workshop, a course designed to motivate and stimulate the passion within our students. By signing your name, you have certified that you will commit to your academic success and invest in your passions. We appreciate you all for attending. Be sure to visit us in our office for your required meetings. Thank you for joining.
Welcome back. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got tons and tons of wonderful information. And I hope, most importantly, you feel motivated to get back on track. Okay? Be sure to come and see myself and Diamond before Census Day, which is February the 12th. Also, be sure to finish and take the quiz. It's time to take it to the next level. We get it. Things happen, but let's not let it happen again. Last but not least, before you take the quiz, please enjoy this motivational quote video to help you get your jump start for this semester. We will see you soon. Have a wonderful day and God bless.